Okay, so what we're focusing on right now is what the opposition has to say. Opposition MPs are meeting Lok Sabha Speaker and Rajya Sabha Chairman in their respective houses for discussions concerning the editing of these very dissent notes. Remember, this is an argument that they've made over the last few weeks. Continuously, they've said that significant portions of their dissent notes, so their disagreements with the way in which the bill was written, those had been filed, they'd been redacted, according to them, from the 944-page long report published by the panel. It's led to a lot of outrage among the members. We'll just wait for a reporter to join us. You've had, for example, the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi come out on Twitter, say that his 231-page dissent note was much edited down. He'd actually posted his full section. He'd said the deleted sections were not controversial, they only stated facts. Like him, you've had other leaders too come forward and make a similar accusation that the dissent notes they'd made to this bill had been edited, had been largely removed. They've said that, and we'll just point to Owaisi for a second, he'd said that they've essentially removed anything that was negative of the committee or the JPC. So heavy accusations. Take a look at reactions, then we'll go over to reporters for more.
आज ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी ऑन वक्फ की रिपोर्ट को माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष जी ने कार्यसूची पर रखा है, तो उसे हम आज प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। 6 महीने पूर्व भारत सरकार के संसदीय कार्य और अल्पसंख्यक मंत्री श्री किरण रिजिजू जी ने जब इस बिल पे अमेंडमेंट लेकर के आई थी सरकार, तो उन्होंने स्वयं अध्यक्ष जी से आग्रह किया था कि इस पे डिटेल डिस्कशंस और डिलिब्रेशंस के लिए, कि ये देश का एक ज्वलंत मुद्दा है, इसलिए इस पे और डिटेल डिस्कशन हो सके। अब जेपीसी ने पूरे 6 महीने में बैठकें करके पूरे देश के राज्यों में टूर करके हमने रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत की है। हमने उन अमेंडमेंट्स पे सभी पे एक क्लॉज बाई क्लॉज के अमेंडमेंट्स पे वोट कराया था, और जो मेजॉरिटी से था उसको अमेंडमेंट्स को हमने अडॉप्ट किया, और जो माइनॉरिटी में था उसको टर्न डाउन किया। तो इस तरह से 14 क्लॉजेज में 25 अमेंडमेंट्स हमारे अडॉप्ट हुए हैं।